there it was. I don't think I've ever heard anything like that. I have never heard a sound like that.
Sound like some kind of bird.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Maybe like a magpie or something.
We just heard the craziest sound. I didn't actually catch it, but kind of hoping it does it again.
Glad I got the stick.
I know we're both armed with our rods just in case we come across any unwanted hosts or ghosts or ghouls at the Pioneer Cemetery. Is it this one?
Yeah, right up here.
And we just heard the creepiest, like, half human, half bird sound I've never heard before. Some ghostly wail. Wow, it's just like out here in the middle of nowhere. Stripped down a nice club. Actually really nice out here. What is this drop off to? Oh wow, gully. Holy. There's a river down there. Sweet.
Where the old factory building was.
Oh, the factory was this?
Yeah, that big dirt spot up there. Bulldozed it.
Wow. Let's see who's here. Caroline. Sweet Caroline. Nice roses. Or actually carnations. Got some pink carnations here. And then we got some red, white, and blue roses. Nice. Oh, there's a woodpecker over there. You would never be able to see that in a million years because this camera sucks, but there's a woodpecker right there, I think. I can't really see it actually. Oh wait, I don't even know what tree I'm showing at. Oh, okay, never mind. The woodpecker is right, I don't know, man. Oh, there it is. The woodpecker is right there. Fairly certain that's it on the camera. Yeah, that's it. I see its head bobbing. This camera's really not good for zoom. There's a path that leads down to the river. Let's try this. Oh my. Oh, this is really steep. It doesn't look too steep on the camera, I don't think, but this is really steep. Oh my. Shoot, I'm just gonna slide down this. Wow. Across there used to be an old factory, but it got torn down. Alright, let's go sliding down here. Whoa, I didn't mean literally. Okay, grab this tree. Oh my. I managed to save myself by grabbing this tree. Okay. Let's make it over to this one. Oh my. Nothing really to see down here. So there's a tree that goes across. That'd be fun to cross. There's really no reason. Let's see if I could get back up there before Dean leaves without me. 1, 2, 3. Go. Okay. Yeah. Oh my. Oh no, no, I'm slipping. Guess this is coming in handy. Oh no, no, never mind. I cannot get back up. Yeah, I literally slid down. Okay. Then I grabbed that tree. Some kind of bird. Oh man. Nothing really to see down there. Got all kind of loony birds over here. Yeah, I'm still wondering what that weird sound was. Magpie or something? Guess I better just keep recording just in case something happens. I think I just heard a turkey gobbling over there. There it was. That was the sound. That was definitely some kind of bird, but I don't think I've ever heard anything like that. This time I got it. That is weird. Cardinal. There are a lot of birds out here. Just saw a blue jay up in that tree when we first came here. Cardinal just flew by right now. I saw some kind of woodpecker, yellow-bellied something, I don't know. That's where he stripped his club down. It's almost back to the Saturn in one piece. Now that I think about it, I actually did hear a sound like that before. A similar sound like that at the end of a Blackmill song. We'll leave that for the aid. For the next guy. Mine is kind of weak, but leave that for the next guy. There's the crazy puddle. You can see our tire tracks. Man, that is one big puddle.